I greasy? Oh no, I'm greasy. Oh my gosh, my eyelash, y'all. Ooh, I'm embarrassed. Ooh, don't mention my eyelash. Please don't mention my eyelashes. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Jazzy B, and I'm back with another video. But before we get into the video, guys, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe. And then you can hit that bell, that little bell button down there. I think, press it. Let me see. Okay, yeah. Press that, and then you'll be notified every time I post. Now let's get back to the video. What's up, y'all? Today is Valentine's Day for me, because by the time y'all watch this, it's gonna be, you know, after I'm gonna post this the day after Valentine's Day. Like, I'm gonna be real with y'all. Today is Valentine's Day, and I'm not doing anything. Like, I don't have a Valentine's. You know, I'm just chilling. It's just me, myself, and I. I'm gonna tell y'all this. What I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. Y'all can tell from the title, but I'm gonna give y'all like a little clip. I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm about to do. I'm gonna be like, hey, you want me my Valentine? And then if they be like, yeah, I'm just gonna be like, all right. So like, when you picking me up? You picking me up tonight, or like, what's going on? Like, you picking me up tonight or what, shorty? Like, I'm gonna just talk real deep, and I'm just gonna see if they still want to be with me after, I show them the real me, you know. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. I hope I can keep this voice up. I hope I sound like a man. We gonna see.
What's up, Jasmine?
What's up, at time?
Yo, Jasmine.
What's up? What you doing?
My ex-girlfriend's name is Jasmine.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. So
she was just like you.
She looked like me.
She was just like you, my ex-girlfriend.
Oh. His camera was not good. What's up? You wanna be my Valentine? Alright, bet. So what time you picking me up? What time you picking me up? Bro, his face changed. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Hey, what's up?
What up?
You wanna be my Valentine?
I would, but I'm not.
What, you not gonna come pick me up? You not gonna come pick me up? You not gonna come pick me? Y'all, we're not getting good people. Like, they phones is acting up. Like, I can't even get my word out. Like, y'all phones is acting up. Get better Wi-Fi. Get better Wi-Fi all 2020. Get better Wi-Fi all 2020. And I know it's not me because my service is A1. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
You want to be my Valentine?
Sure, why not?
Alright, bet. So what time you gonna pick me up?
What time you want me to pick you up?
Well, I guess he said there's no difference in your voice. You sound the same. What's up? You want to be my Valentine? You want to be my Valentine? I can't hear you, bro. I don't know if he laughing because that was sounding like it, or... Stop skipping me! Yo, what's up? Oh, they saw me and said, no, ma'am. We're out of here. We don't want no parts of that. El Chapo. What y'all doing? What y'all doing? That's the thumbnail. What's up?
Hey, what's up? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
That's what's up.
That's what's up. How your day going?
It's going good so far.
That's good. That little girl was like, something ain't right. What's up? What you doing? That's what's up. Just chilling. You want to be my Valentine?
Let's get it.
All right, bet. What time you picking me up? What time you picking me up? What's up?
Hey, what up?
You want to be my Valentine?
Yeah.
All right. What time you gonna pick me up? He was confused.
Oh, look at all that cuteness.
How you doing?
And you, whoa.
How you doing?
Whoa.
What's the problem? What's the problem? Oh, it's two of them. Hey, what's up? What y'all doing?
Nothing. How about you?
You know, just chilling. What y'all got going on for Valentine's Day?
Oh, you're mad.
Do I look? Do... Oh, sis said, "Oh, oh, you are a man." What's up?
Yeah, what it is?
You wanna be my Valentine?
It depends. Where you at?
I'm in Houston. You gonna come pick me up?
Yeah.
That's what's up. I gotta get deeper. What's up, Michael? He said, no, ain't gonna be no what's up. What's up? What y'all doing? That's a nice beat. I like that beat. I like that beat. Apparently he couldn't hear me. That's his phone. What's up?
How you doing?
Good, how are you? You want to be my Valentine?
I'd love to be your Valentine.
Alright, bet. So, when you want to come pick me up?
Right now.
Alright, that's a bet. I'll be outside. What's up?
What's up? Where you from?
I'm from Houston. Where you from?
New York.
Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. I like that. I like that. We're gonna have to call it a day. I got a lot of Valentines. They're being really sweet, and I don't have enough space for them. Alright, y'all. So it was at this moment that my phone ran out of storage. I know, tragic. And I forgot to film an outro. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Until my next video, Jazzy be out. Thanks for watching.